Check your surroundings. Make sure your wheels are straight. Turn on the appropriate turn signal and move forward slowly. Align your shoulder with the front bumper of the parked car beside you. Make sure it's safe to exit the parking spot. Turn the steering wheel in the direction you intend to go. Pull forward and merge into the right lane. Ensure your wheels are straight. Put the car in reverse. Turn on the appropriate turn signal. Check your surroundings and confirm it's safe to exit the spot. Reverse slowly. Aligning your front bumper with the rear of the parked car, double-check your surroundings and turn the steering wheel in the opposite direction of where you intend to go. Put the car in drive. Activate the appropriate turn signal, and turn the steering wheel in the desired direction to continue moving forward.